What happens to your specific person when you affirm for them? Let this be your guide because this is going to give you the biggest inspiration to go out there and manifest your specific person. So, do you think that nothing is changing and nothing happens to your person when you affirm for them? And let me tell you, that's not the case. Every single one of your affirmations, when you affirm for your specific person, when you visualize for them, when you do your sats for them, when you script for them, they catch your energy. They can feel what you are feeling. And let this be your motivation to go all in when it comes to manifesting your specific person. So, do you know that this whole concept of everyone is you pushed out? All of us are energetically connected, and all of us can feel the other people, the other person. Has it ever happened to you that you were thinking of somebody and all of a sudden they text you, they call you, but we just dismiss such occurrences as coincidence because this is not the person we are very serious about manifesting. So when you think about a random person, a friend, a relative, somebody that you knew maybe years ago, and they contact you, when you think about them, and every thought, by the way, is an affirmation, right? And every visualization is also manifestation. You're manifesting it. And when such a person contacts you, we kind of do not think much about it. But that you made it happen because you changed your thinking. And let this be your guide, let this be your inspiration to get a little bit more serious and more consistent and disciplined when it comes to your specific person, because your specific person is going to feel what you do. So if they are giving you hot and cold behavior, it's because you are hot and cold with your manifestation methods. I recently created a video on this where I told everyone how to get rid of hot and cold behavior with your SP. So check it out if you haven't checked yet, and subscribe the channel as well if you are liking what you're hearing. But the only reason why they give you hot and cold behavior is because you are hot and cold with your manifestation practices. And it doesn't matter which one you're using because the power is not in the practice. If you're on my channel, I always tell you that it doesn't matter what method you use. What matters is that you use that method consistently. You affirm consistently with discipline. And most important of all is that you are disciplined with your mental diet, and you're disciplined in the thoughts that you're thinking. You're disciplined in making a point to not react to the 3D. And then you're disciplined in your manifestation method. So whatever you do, you affirm, you script, you visualize, you do sats, you do telephone method, anything, robotic affirming, the method doesn't matter. Your consistency matters. And one additional step is that I always tell you to enjoy the method. So use a method that you enjoy, that doesn't bore you. Just use a method that you enjoy. But the only reason why you're not getting what you want from your specific person is because of inconsistency, lack of discipline, lack of mental diet. And you can always, there is no other thing that you can point to that will tell you why you don't have what you desire. It's always one of these three things or a combination of. So your person is feeling everything. I told you, your person is feeling everything. So if you're inconsistent, they are inconsistent. If you're hot and cold with your manifestation method, if you're inconsistent, by the way, when I said you're inconsistent with your manifestation practice, they are inconsistent in how they treat you. If you are hot and cold with your manifestation method, you would go all in for 3 days but then forget about it. They do the same. If you, by the way, also, if you visualize or affirm for like 10 minutes in the day where you say, oh, my SP is absolutely obsessed with me and they love me, they are contacting me, but then you spend the rest of the day checking the 3D, fretting about it, thinking thoughts like, thoughts, by the way, are affirmations, thinking thoughts like, why haven't they texted me yet? You're affirming that, you're manifesting it. Every single negative thought, you're affirming it, you're manifesting it. So the 10 minute of affirming, 10 minute of positive affirming is not going to help you if you spend the rest of the day, 23 hours, 50 minutes thinking about why it's not working out for you. So get consistent, get disciplined, because your SP, they energetically, their higher self is absolutely understanding everything. Nothing goes amiss. They can feel it. They know what's going on energetically. And even if they are not connected to their higher self, because everyone is you pushed out, because your affirmations are creating how everybody behaves in your reality, based on how well you are doing with your manifestation practice, no matter what technique you use, that will determine how well they behave with you, including your mental diet. So get focused on this because your person feels everything. And you, as an experiment, go all in for just 21 days and you will see their behavior change. You will hear about the changes. People will come tell you about what they tell others about you. You will see changes, but you'll have to be persistent, especially with the mental diet and then with your practice. So do this because your person feels everything, and because what you want, if you want something, you only want something because you're meant to have it. So if you want a person, you're meant to have that person. So go all in, manifest them. Thank you so much for joining me here today, by the way. I'm Neha Kumar. So subscribe to the channel if you've liked what you heard today. Like this video, share this video, comment master manifester because you are a master manifester. So claim it for yourself. And if you would like to book personal coaching with me, I have also started one-on-one 30-minute monthly sessions where every week we meet once, where I can help you create your dream life and give you more intimate one-on-one coaching. Or if you would like to join my email packages or my manifestation challenge, you can check the description box or my pinned comment for all the details. And I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye.